Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you something that is a makeup product for your eyes. It's not a mascara, but it is a mascara primer, and I've been recently loving this. It is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer, and today I am also going to show you two different mascaras just to show you what it looks like. I truly think that the primer makes a difference with your lash application or mascara application. What this is a pink tinted mascara primer. It thickens lashes and helps enhance mascara wear. It's a conditioning pink primer formula infused with rose oil, and it has a soft wavy mascara brush which holds maximum formula to coat lashes. And as you can see, it definitely has a thick kind of base for the mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and use the actual mascara that is on the same line, and it is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is the black brown shade, and it definitely is a very nice mascara and one of my go-tos in my opinion. But as you can see, I have non-existent lashes, and it definitely is lengthening and volumizing, and I just honestly feel like it makes a difference, like even the way it feels on my lashes. I don't know what it is, but I definitely have been enjoying it, and I am also going to be showing you what this primer looks like with another mascara from a different brand, but this retails for $9.99 for 0.27 ounces. So here I am again, and I am applying it again, and I have been actually using this with every single look ever since I tried it out because I'm so impressed. But I am going to be trying it out with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, which is another favorite of mine, just because I feel like ever since I used it with the Gigi Hadid collection, it's just been amazing. I need to get the full size, but yeah. So as you can see, with the primer, I feel like it really stands out, the pigmentation of the mascaras that I've been using, and I just really want to share this product with you guys. So hope you enjoyed my video, hope it helped you out in any way that it could. I have been practicing a lot on my eye makeup lately, and I am going to be posting future posts with all eye products, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Bye guys!